Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to enroll in First Merchants online banking. If you don't have a First Merchants bank account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get a $50 MasterCard reward card when you open a personal checking account or auto loan. However, if you already have an account, open the website firstmerchants.com, then click on Enroll Now. On this page, select the account type you wish to enroll to. After that, read the online banking terms and conditions, and click on the tick box below it to indicate that you agree to the terms of use. Then click on Continue. Now, enter all the required information such as your first and last name, social security number, email address, birth date, zip code, home phone number, First Merchants account number and last statement balance. Once entered, click on Continue. Here, enter the user ID you wish to use on the first field, then enter it again on the second field to confirm. On the third field, enter the password you wish to use, then enter it again on the fourth field to confirm. Once entered, click on Continue. Now you will see that your enrollment is successful. That's how you enroll in First Merchants online banking. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.